Good morning, students. Myself, Lata Digambar Shingole from Dharavi Transit Camp, Municipal English School number 1. Our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, Nodal Bit Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Madam, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam, CNO, Ratilal Burungule Sir. Student, look at the picture and what do you see in this picture?
A boy name is Raju.
Very good, very good. So today I'm going to tell very nice story about Raju. Okay, one day Raju decide to buy on t-shirt for him. So next day he went to the shop and he bought very nice t-shirt at cost rupees 1000. You know, cost means price. Cost is using a mathematical word. At the time of a return, he makes his a friend Vikram. Okay, now Vikram asked to Raju, what is in your hand? Raju said, this is my new t-shirt. So Vikram said, wow, so nice, I love this t-shirt. So will you give me please? Vikram asked to Raju, what is in your hand? Raju said, this is my new t-shirt. Vikram said, wow, so nice. I love this t-shirt. Will you give me please? So Raju said, okay. So what is the price of t-shirts? Raju said, it's for 1500 rupees. So Vikram took t-shirt at rupees 1500 and he went at a home So students, what was the actual price for that t-shirt?
1000.
1000 rupees. Very good. So, and so Raju got an extra 500 rupees. Yes, or no? Raju got
Yes, miss.
500 rupees. So, what we call it? Extra
Profit.
500. Huh?
Profit.
Very good. 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 And what about Vikram buy that t-shirt?
Loss. Loss.
Lost. But how much? How much?
500 loss.
1500. So he paid extra 500 rupees. Yes or no? He gave more 500 rupees. So what we call it? What we call it, students? He gave more 500 rupees. Yes or no? So Vikram lost 500 rupees. So what we call it?
Loss.
Loss. Very good. If we are paying extra amount for anything, so this is being what is called loss. So very good. So today we are going to learn profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss. Subject mathematics, profit and loss. So what is the cost price? First one, what is the cost price? The price for which an article is purchased is called the cost price of the article. Listen carefully. What is the cost price? Definition here. The price for which an article is purchased. Purchase. Okay. Purchase is called the cost price of the article. And second one is a selling price. Second one is the selling price. The price for which an article is sold is called selling price of the article. Selling price of the article. Okay, good. Now another definition here. So money paid to buy an item is called the cost price. Okay, the money paid to buy an item, buy, purchase, the same. The money paid to buy an item is called the cost price. And second, selling price, the money received on selling, an article, receive on selling an article is called the selling price. The price for which an, okay, cost price, the price for which an article is purchased, okay, that is called as a cost price. And selling price, the price for which an article is sold is called the selling price of the article. Now listen, second one. So what is the profit? Profit definition here. Okay, when the selling price of an item is more than its cost price, the difference between the two prices is called profit. When the selling price of an item is more than its cost price, the difference between the two prices is called a profit. If selling price is a more than the cost price, listen carefully, the selling price is a more than the cost price, we say that the seller has made a profit. Okay. Now second one, selling price more than the cost price. Now second is a cost price. So cost price, what is the cost price? So when the cost price of an item is more than its selling price, the difference between the two prices is called loss. Okay, when the cost price of an item is more than it is a selling price, more than is a selling price. Okay, now the difference between the two prices, difference between the two prices is called loss. It's called the loss. If the selling price is less than the cost price, we say that the seller incurred loss. Okay, now next one. So what is the formula of profit and loss? So you remember for formula profit, okay, which is formula profit is equal to selling
Selling price.
plus cost
Profit
price.
is equal to selling price.
Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is
Loss is equal to cost price.
minus
Loss,
selling
selling
price.
price.
For formula for that, you have remember for that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is it is a denoted for SP, okay, and cost price it is a denoted for CP. Okay,
Loss.
selling price is a denoted it is denoted by SP, and cost price is a denoted by CP. Okay, so profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, now so profit is equal to SP minus CP, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, this formula we will using solve the example. Okay, selling price. Okay, selling price. Selling price is a greater than the cost price, more than the cost price. There is a profit. Okay, and selling price is a less than the cost price. There is a loss. There is a loss. Now look at the example. Now see the ball. Okay, now the cost price, how much is the cost price? How much is the cost price? How much is the cost price? Cost price is a 1,000, okay, and selling price is a 12,000, okay, 1,200, sorry, 1,200, okay. So 1,000 is a cost price and selling price is a 1,200. Did profit and loss? Tell me.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so which formula we will using? Which formula profit and loss? Cost price is 1,000 and selling price is 1,200. So which formula we will using? He made profit. They made profit. Made profit and loss.
Cost price make profit.
Okay, profit. Okay, so how much? Profit.
200 profit.
200 profit. So we will using the formula profit is equal to selling price. Okay, selling price minus cost price. Okay, now look at the pictures, and selling price is how much? 1,200. Okay, 1,200, and cost price is 1,000. So profit is equal to 200. So profit is 200. There is a profit. Okay, there is a profit. There is a profit. Good. Second, look at the pictures. Okay, Tanvir bought a bicycle. Tanvir bought a bicycle for rupees 2,290. Okay, now he sold it for rupees 1,600, and he sold it for rupees 1,600. Find is a profit and loss. Okay, Tanvir bought a bicycle for rupees 2,200, right? For rupees 1,600. Find is a profit and loss.
We have got loss. The Tanvir have loss of 690.
690
loss. 690 loss.
Okay, we will check it. Okay, we will check it. Now we're using the formula and we have solved. So 698 is correct. So first. So first we will using the loss example. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Yes, you know. So cost price, yes, cost price is a 2,290 and selling price is a 1,600. So
1,600.
cost price is a greater than the selling price, more than the selling price. Yes, you know.
Yes,
Selling
miss.
price, huh?
Yes.
So
Yes,
cost price
miss.
is more than the selling price. Cost price is a 2,290 and selling price is a 1,600. So cost price is a more than the selling price. Hence there is a loss. Okay. So loss is equal to 2,290 minus 1,600 is equal to 690. Okay. 690 loss is so 690 is a loss. Now, so who will read? Who will read? Yes.
Harsh brought a table for rupees 1,075 and sold it for rupees 2,000. How much profit did he make?
Okay. Harsh bought a table. Okay. Harsh bought a table for rupees 1,725 and sold it for rupees 2,000. Okay. 2,000. Sold it.
275 he get profit. 275 he get profit. Teacher,
Oh.
275 he get profit. He get profit.
Very good. Very good. He made profit
275.
5. Okay, now the third one. Okay, who will read?
Mr. Goswami bought a calculator for rupees 538. He spent rupees 90 on his repair. She later sold the calculator for rupees 640. Did she make a profit or loss and how much?
Okay, did she make a profit or loss? So, how much is the cost price? Cost price.
538.
And she spent rupees 90 rupees. Okay, she spent 90 rupees. Yes or no? So we will add the 538 plus 90. Okay, we will add the 538 plus 90. So 538 plus 90.
He get 12 rupees. 128.
640. Okay, 12 rupees correct. But we will check it. For 640 is the cost price. Yes or no? Cost price is a 640. Cost price is a 640 and his selling price is a selling price is a 640 and cost price is a
538.
538 plus 90. 628. 628. Okay, now listen carefully. 538 plus 90. Okay. So 8 plus 0, 8, 9 plus 12, and 1. 620 is a cost price. Okay. 628 is a cost price. And she let us sold the calculator for rupees 640. So selling price is a 640. Yes or no? So selling price is a more than the cost price. There is a profit. Okay. She make a profit. She make profit for rupees. How much? How much? 12 rupees. Okay. 640 minus 628. So profit is a
12 rupees.
12 rupees. Very good. 12 rupees is a profit. Okay. She make a profit 12 rupees. So 12 rupees. Now fourth question. Who will read?
A shopkeeper brought a washing machine for rupees 12,000 and sold the same as rupees 15,000. How much was his profit? He has profit of 3,000. He has profit of 3,000.
Very good. Very good. So how much is the cost price? Cost price.
12,000. 12,000.
Okay. And selling price?
15,000. He got
Okay.
profit of 3,000.
So
3,000 profit. 3,000 profit.
Okay, very good. The shopkeeper make a 3,000 make profit rupees 3,000. Good, very good. So Now, see the first example. If a cost price of a pencil, if the cost price of a pencil box is a 60 rupees 67 and selling price is rupees 70. So is there is a profit or loss?
Profit. Option number 2. Option number 2.
Rupees 3.
Rupees 3. Rupees 3. Option number 2.
Question
And
number,
we get the profit.
if a cost
Option
price of
number
pencil box is a 67 and selling price is a rupees 70. So cost price is
Rupees
a 3. Very good. Option number is a
2.
rupees 3. So profit.
3. Rupees 3.
Okay, good. So selling price is a more than the cost price. There is a
So they got the profit.
so profit rupees 3. So 67 is a cost price and selling price is a 70. Now second question. Who will read?
If the cost price of an article is 560 and its selling price was 430, find profit or loss.
Find profit or loss.
So tell me, profit or loss? Find the profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss. So how much loss?
130.
Huh?
Loss
130 rupees loss. 130 rupees loss.
130.
Rupees loss. Okay, now we will check it. We will
Option
check
number
it.
3.
Option number 3 is right.
Okay, so we will check it. So cost price is a 560. Okay, 560, and selling price is a 430. Okay.
There was a loss of 130 rupees.
Cost price minus selling price. Okay, 560 minus 430. So is equal to
130. Option number 3.
very good.
Loss.
Option number 3 is a correct. Yes or no? Option
Yes.
number 3 is a correct. Good. Now second question number 3. Who will
A
tell?
carpenter brought a table for rupees. A carpenter brought a table for rupees 6,520 and he sold it to a customer at rupees 6,200. Find the loss he did in this transaction.
So in this transaction, profit or loss?
320 loss. Option number 4. 320 loss.
Teacher, 320 loss.
Option number 4. 330 loss.
Teacher, option number 4.
Option number 4. 320 loss.
Option number 4 is a 320. Okay. So cost price here. Cost price is a. How much is the cost price?
6,520.
Okay, very good. 6,520. And selling price?
Selling price 6,200.
Okay, very good. Selling price is 6,200. So selling cost price is a more than the selling price. There is a loss. Okay, cost price is more than the selling price. So option number 4 is correct. 320.
Yes, miss.
320 is a correct. 320 is a correct. Very good. 320 is a correct. So now question number 4. Who will read?
A shopkeeper buys a TV at rupees 4,200 and sell it rupees 4,500. 4,500. Profit or loss? Teacher, profit.
Read the question clear. Read the question clearly. A shopkeeper buys a TV at rupees 42,000. Okay, a shopkeeper buys a TV at a 42,000 and sells it at rupees 45,000. What is his profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit.
Option number 2.
Option number 2 is correct.
Yes.
Option number 2 is correct. So option number 2 is correct. So we will. So how much is the cost price? Cost price. Cost price.
4,200.
42,000. Okay, very good. 42,000. And selling price
45,000.
45,000. Good. So we will using formula loss. Loss. What is the formula of loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Yes. So 45,000 minus
Option number 2.
Option number
3,000.
3,000. So is a loss is a 3,000. So loss rupees 3,000. So option number 2 is correct. Good. Good. Question number 5. Who will read?
One bicycle is
One
bought for
bicycle
rupees
is bought for rupees
1,150
and sold it for 950. How much loss is incurred in the transaction?
One bicycle is bought for rupees 1,050. Listen carefully, and sold it for rupees 950. So how much loss is incurred in this transaction? In this transaction, so how much is the cost price is a 1,050 and selling price is a 950. The cost price is more than the selling price. Yes or no? Cost price is a more than the selling price. So how much loss is incurred in this transaction?
100.
100 rupees.
Teacher, 100.
Option
Yeah.
number 3.
Okay, so we will using the loss. We will cost price is a 1,050. We will check it. Okay. Now selling price is a 950. Okay. So loss is equal to 1,050 minus 950.
100 rupees loss.
So loss is a 100 rupees. Good. So 100 is option number 3 is a correct. Option number 3 is a correct. So in this transaction, so cost price is a more than the selling price. Hence there is a loss. Okay. So in this transaction, cost price is a more than the selling price. There is a loss. There is a loss. Question number 6. Who will read?
One radio is bought for rupees 3,540 and sold for rupees 3,760. Did he make a profit or loss? How much was it?
Okay, so one radio is a bought for rupees 3,540. Okay, now the this is the cost price. Okay, 3,540 and sold for rupees 3,760. Okay, this one is the selling price. So did he make a profit or loss? So did he make a profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit. Good. So which formula we will be using? Which formula? Profit is equal to
Profit is equal to selling price.
profit is equal to
Selling price.
selling price minus cost price. But yes or no? So selling price is a more than cost price. Selling price is a
Option number 4.
more than the cost price. So there is a profit. So selling price minus cost price. So selling price is a 3,000.
Teacher, option number profit 1,220.
3,540. Okay. Give me answer.
Option number 4.
Profit 220.
200 and
For 220. Profit.
rupees 220. 200. So option number 4 is correct. Okay, for profit rupees 2,220. Okay, so cost price is a cost price 3,540 and selling price is a 3,760. So selling price is a more than the cost price. There is a profit. Got it? So option number 4 is a correct. Option number 4 is a correct. Question number 7. Who will read?
Pankaj bought a watch for 4,370 and sold the same for rupees 4,140. How much was he lost in the transaction?
Okay, good. Pankaj bought a watch for rupees 4,370 and sold the same for rupees 4,140. Okay. Now, how much was his loss in this transaction? So, cost price is at 4,370.
Option number 1 to 230.
230.
30.
Option number 1, 230.
230.
Okay, we will check it. Okay. Now we will check it. So, cost price is a more than the selling price. Correct? Cost price is a more than the selling price. There is a loss. There is a loss. So loss is equal to loss. Cost price minus selling price. Selling price loss. Cost price 4,370 minus 4,100. How much was his loss in this transaction?
230.
30. 230. So what is 230? Option number 1 is correct. Now question number 8. Who will read?
Hamid
Huh?
bought bananas worth 2,000 rupees and sold them all for 1,890 rupees. Did he make a profit or loss? How much was it?
Hamid bhai bought rupees 2,000 and sold them for rupees 1,890 rupees. Did he make profit or loss? And how much was it? Huh?
Loss.
Loss. Good. So cost price is 2,000 and selling price is 1,890. So the loss, how much?
110. Option number 2. Option number 2, 110.
Option number 2 is correct. 110. Good.
Yes.
We will check it. So cost price is 2,000 minus 1,890. So cost price is more than the selling price. Yes or no? Cost price is more than the selling price. Yes.
Yes,
Cost price is more than the selling price. So loss rupees 110. So option number 2 is correct. Option number 2 is correct.
Yes,
So we will check it. 2,000 minus cost price minus selling price. Okay. 2,000 minus 1,890. Okay. Loss is rupees 110. So rupees 110. There is a loss. Cost price is more than the selling price. Good. Evaluation. So first question. Bought 2 dozen notebook or pages 40 at the rate rupees 60 per dozen. He sold it for rupees 130. Then how much profit did he get? Tell me.
40 rupees.
1
minute, miss. Teacher 20 rupees.
20 rupees. 20 rupees. Omkar bought 2 dozens notebooks or pages. Okay. Omkar bought 2 dozen notebook or pages 40 at the rate of rupees 60 per dozen. Okay. We will check it now. So 40 pages. 1 dozen means 12 notebook. Okay. Sorry, 12 notebook. 1 dozen is equal to 12 notebooks, and cost of 1 dozen notebooks 60 per dozen, na? 60 per dozen cost. So 1 dozen rupees 60. Yes, no, cost of 1 dozen notebook is 60. So cost of 2 dozen notebooks. So 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to cost of 2 dozens. 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to rupees 120 rupees. So 120 rupees. 120 rupees. Yes. On a, how much is the selling price? This is the cost price. Cost price is 120. Yes or no? 120 is the cost price. Omkar bought 2 dozen notebook of pages 40 at the rate rupees 60 per dozen. So
Option number 4.
to 12 notebook, and cost of 1 dozen notebook is rupees 60. 1 dozen rupees is 60. And so cost of 2 dozen notebooks. So 2 dozen notebook. So we will multiply 2 multiply by 60. We get rupees 120. So this cost price is rupees 120 and selling price is a 130 rupees. Yes or no? Selling price is a 130 rupees. So cost price is a 120 and selling price is a 130.
Option number 3.
Option number 3, 10 rupees.
Correct. So selling price is a more than the cost price. Selling price is more than cost price. Yes or no? Selling price is a more than cost price. There is a profit. So we will using formula profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Yes or no? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So 130 minus 120 is equal to rupees 10. So 10 rupees profit. Okay, there is a profit rupees 10. Yes or no? So हमका net profit rupees 10. Option number 3 is correct. Good. Option number 3 is correct. Good. Option number 4, SP minus cost price. Okay, SP minus profit. So 130 minus 120 is equal to 10. Good. Good. Now, question number 2. Asha bought 5 kg brinjal at rate rupees 16. Okay, Asha bought 5 kg brinjal at rate rupees 60 and 7 kg potato at rupees 15 per kg. Okay, from market, Asha bought 5 kg brinjal at rate of 16 and 7 kg potato brinjal 16 and potato rupees 15 per kg market. She sold all the rupees 250. She sold all brinjal and potato or sold all for rupees 250. Did she make profit or loss? And how much was it? So firstly find the total price of brinjal. So first price of brinjal, the 5 kg is equal to 60. Yeah, brinjal. So 5 multiplied by 16 is equal to rupees 80. So 5 kg rupees 80. 16 5 okay, 16 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 16 at a rate of rupees 80. Total price of brinjal rupees 80. Now we will find the potato. Total price of potato 7 kg. So 7 15 multiplied by 7. So 16 multiplied by 7, 105. 105. So total price of potato rupees 105. Rupees 105. Yes or no? So total price of brinjal rupees 80 and total price of potato 105. So we will add the brinjal price and potato price. Yes or no? So we will add the 80 plus 105. So we get the 185. Total price of the cost. So total price of the cost. Price of the cost total. So 180 plus 105. Okay, we get 185. So
185.
this is the cost price. This is the cost price, na? Yes or no? 185. This is the cost price, 185. So 185, the total price and selling price is equal to 250. So cost price is a 185 and selling price is a 250. So did she make a profit or loss? Selling price is a 250 and cost price is a 185. Tell me, she make a profit or loss? Profit. Very good.
Option number 1, profit 65.
Teacher,
good.
profit of 65.
Profit 65.
Option number
1.
1. Good. Option number 1 is a good. So very good. So selling price is a more than the cost price. Yes or no? Selling price is a more than cost price. So selling price minus cost price is equal to we get profit 65. Okay, huh? Profit 65. She made a profit rupees 65. Yes or no? Yeah,
Yes,
na?
please.
Very good. She made a profit rupees 65. 65. Question number 3. Who will read? Question number 3.
Morgan said bought 18 toys at a rate of rupees 30. And all those toys were sold for rupees 560. Did he make a profit or loss? How much was it?
Okay, Magan said what? 80 toys, okay, 80 toys at a rate of rupees 30. Listen carefully. What? 80 toys at a rate of 30. And all those toys were sold for rupees 560. And did he make a profit or loss? So first we will find the one toy. One toy rupees 30. One toy rupees 30. So one toy ka kitna? One toy rupees 30. One toy rupees 30. And second, total toys. How many total toys here? Total toys.
18 toys.
18 toys. Good. 18 toys. 18 toys. 18 toys. So we will find the cost price. Yes or no? So we multiply the 30 multiply by 80. 30 multiply by 80 is equal to, find answer. 30 multiply by 80 cost price. No. 30 multiplied by 18 is equal to
540.
Very good. 540. 540 is a cost price. Yes or no? Total cost
20.
Total cost rupees 540. And selling price? How much is the selling price?
60. Option number 320.
20. Good. Very good. So first we will check it now. We find the answer. We will find. So selling price. He made profit or loss? He made a profit, no? He made profit?
Yes, miss.
Good. So profit. So selling price is a more than the cost price. So cost price is a 540. Okay. Cost price is a 540 and selling price is a
560. Profit 20 rupees.
So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is a more than the cost price. So profit is equal to
Selling price.
Profit is the selling price minus 560 minus 540. So profit is a 20. Profit is a option number 3 is a correct. Alternative option is a correct 3. So in this transaction, selling price is a more than cost price. There was a profit. Good.
Option number 3.
Option number 3 is correct. Okay. So who will read?
Pratik bought one motorcycle at rupees 23,500 and sold it for rupees 25,000. He made a profit or loss in this transaction?
Pratik bought one motorcycle at rupees 23,500. Okay, and sold it for rupees 25,000. Did he make a profit or loss? This time.
Option number 1 profit.
Option number 1.
Option number 1 profit.
Option number 1 profit.
Option number 1 profit.
How much is the cost?
Option number 1 profit.
How much is the cost price?
23,500.
23,500 and sold it for rupees
25,000.
25,000. So
Profit.
profit. He make a profit or loss in this transaction. Number is a one. Option number 1 is the correct option. Selling price is a more than cost price. There is a profit. Yes or no? Selling price is more than the cost price. Since there is a profit. So Pratik made a profit. Option number 1 is a correct. So now question number. Who will read?
Teacher, if cost price is equal to rupees 560, then selling price is equal to rupees 600. Then how much profit loss?
Option number 3, profit 40.
Option number
Option number 3, profit 40.
Okay, good. So how much is the cost price?
3, profit 40.
160.
Okay, good, good. So how much is the cost price? Cost price is a 560, okay, and selling price rupees 600. Okay, selling price is more than the cost price. So there is a profit. Yes or no? So we
Profit
will check
rupees
it. Good. So 640, 600. 600 is a selling price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price 600 minus 560. Good. 560. So profit is equal to profit
Profit
40
40.
rupees. So 40 rupees is a profit.
Profit 40. Option number 3.
Correct. Option number 3 is a correct. So if cost price is equal to rupees 560, then selling price rupees 600, then how much profit loss? So profit is a 40. So which formula we will be using? The profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Option number 3 is correct. Question number 6. Who will read?
A shopkeeper bought a
A
bicycle.
shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3,000 and sold the same of the 34,000. How much was his profit?
400 profit. Profit 400. Option number 3.
Good. So listen carefully. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3,000. Okay.
Profit of 400.
For rupees 3,400. Listen, 3,400. It's not 34,000. 3,400. And how much was his profit? A shopkeeper bought a bicycle. Okay. Now we will check it. Option number.
Profit of 400.
Cost price is a
400.
3,000.
1,000. Good. And selling price.
3,040.
3,400.
Rupees 3,400. Okay. So selling price is a more than the cost price. Yes, there is a profit. So profit is equal to 3,400 minus
Profit is
3,000. Okay. So profit is equal to
400.
400 rupees.
400.
Rupees 400. So he made profit rupees 400.
Option number 3.
3 is a correct. Good. So what is the formula of profit? Tell me please. Formula of profit.
Formula profit. CP. Sorry.
P.
Yes.
SP minus CP.
SP minus CP.
And loss.
CP minus SP.
CP minus SP. And CP is equal to cost price. Okay, CP. Okay. Selling price denoted to SP and cost price denoted to CP. Okay. You have to remember for that.
Yes, miss. I have remember.
Okay, good. Very good. Homework. Okay, today is your homework. Fill in the box. Okay, if SP. Now your homework.
Option number 1 profit.
Good.
And second one loss. Option number
SP is equal to loss.
Thank you. Thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.